Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and then act immediately. Identify the specific Excel skills the job requires and match them to your experience. Create a focused portfolio with 2 to 4 files that show formulas, pivot tables, Power Query, and one VBA macro. Make sure file names are clear. Once done, update your resume header and summary to include role keywords so applicant tracking systems can find you. Make the first contact by tailoring your cover note to a single pain point the employer lists. Next, you demonstrate impact. Convert tasks into measurable results. Report dollar saved, percent time saved, or hours reduced, so hiring managers see value. Customize your cover note to 1 or 2 company priorities and reference the job posting language to align expectations. This increases relevance. Prepare a concise portfolio package and submit via the channel requested, LinkedIn, company portal, or email, making sure attachments follow size and naming rules. After submission, finally, you prepare to close the loop. Rehearse 3 short demos you can screen share, 1 formula repair, 1 pivot table summary, and a brief VBA or automation example, so you can show how you solve real problems. During interviews, ask about scope, timelines, and advancement to confirm fit. Once an offer arrives, negotiate based on market data and responsibilities. If you get no response, troubleshoot. Adjust resume keywords, resubmit to the portal, or reach out to a contact for a referral to accelerate consideration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.